Hello everyone, welcome back to Rags to Riches. So, in the last episode, I couldn't figure out how to get, what's her name? Camille? I think it's Camille, I forgot, that's so bad, I'm so sorry, it's like, I've only played her like once, so I kind of forgot, but don't judge me. Anyway, so I already posted a video like a couple seconds ago, but I wanted to post another one because I haven't been posting a lot, and I just reached 5 subscribers, so I'm really excited. Sorry, I'm talking really fast. Janelle, yes. So we are back to Rags to Riches. So in the last episode, as I was saying, how do I get her to 0, like to have not 18,000 simoleons, but just 0? So someone told me to do Control-Shift-C, of course, and then probably can't see it, but testing sheets. Okay. Hopefully this works. Why is it not working? This is so strange. Like, there we go. Oh my gosh! Thank you, Christine. I'm so sorry, Christina. I cannot say your last name and I feel so bad. Galk? I'm so sorry if I said that wrong. I'm not good with names, but thank you so much for teaching me how to do that. So now, Janelle can finally not have any money because she's a runaway teen. Why would runaway teens not have money? Anyway, let's get started with this episode. In the last episode, she collected stuff, so I'm just gonna sell these, get her $80, and she cannot go to school, I remember. And if she's a little, like, if this is happening, then she could talk to other people, but her phone's on silent. I silenced your phone. No, you cannot be on your phone. Go talk to some other Sims, like this crazy looking lady over here. Let's see, what's her name? Cora. Let's just do a friendly. And then once your thing is green, then no more talking to people. Okay, go over to her. I don't understand what you're doing. What the heck? Okay, where did they just go? Oh. Once it's green, we're going straight back home. Or digging up more stuff. I don't know. Okay, stop talking to her. And I will make her go another... Oh, shoot. Where is another thing? I have no idea. Oh, right there. Okay, we're speeding up time. As I said in the last episode, thank you guys so much for 5 subscribers. And if you're new here, please subscribe if you like this video and comment what I should do for my next video, even though this video isn't over yet. Tell me what I should do, like, give me some ideas, like, you know, just some stuff. Okay, so now she is hungry, so I'm going to be looking for some grilled. Did anyone grill anything? I don't think she could grill stuff herself, so I don't know how she's going to be able to eat, but she cannot make herself anything. So, dang it. Let's see if anyone comes to these grillers. There has to be someone. Really close to your face. There has to be someone who can do that. Come sit here and wait. Okay, so where is she? Oh, she's coming, of course. Just sit there. Oh wait, she could use the bathroom. Perfect. And she can brush her little stinky teeth and wash her hands. That works out in the end. Okay, I'm not gonna watch her go pee, but she's done? Okay. Oh, she wasn't done yet. But you know what? Now she's done. Okay, hurry up. Oh, she just washed her hands, and now she's gonna have to brush her teeth and then wash her hands again. She might feel confident after this, like, oh, sometimes Sims feel confident. Ew, why would you want to No, never mind. Why would you want to flirt with someone so fast after meeting with them? If if she made something, yeah, it would cost money, which I don't want her to waste money, but I guess it's her own money, so I want to make up a new rule. She can waste her own money if she wants to. Okay, she is making some, and I chose the cheapest one because why would you, sorry, screen a little bit. Why would you want the most expensive one if you can afford the most expensive? Okay. She's taking forever. I know this is probably cheating, but I honestly don't care because she's hungry, and there's no one grilling anything, and you know, so grab a serving and eat. Yes, I will put these in her inventory because I don't want her to keep wasting money on making food and stuff. So yes. Now we wait. Her fun is down. How does she get her fun up? How will she do that? Reading books? Yeah. No, not right now. Oh my gosh, you know what? Just go. Okay. She just put that book away and now she's gonna steal that girl that was just theirs. There. Blah, 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 blah. There. Oh, she put that. How sweet. Watch funny video. What funny video? And when she's a young adult, which is going to be in 13 days, she can buy herself a really crappy apartment if she can afford it. That would be a waste. And she could even sleep here. Wow, I love this place. She might even have to live here and not even go back home ever again because there is grillers, there is people, there is music right here. There is a bar, which she can't have yet. But she could be a mixologist when she's older. Practicing. You know what? This all works out in the end, guys. Now they're talking, which is not against the rules right now because her social is pretty down, and that lady's sleeping because she actually has a home and she didn't run away from home from her parents. So let's just make a quick backstory for Janelle here. So she was fighting a lot with her parents. She hates them still. She hated them. She was getting really sick of their attitudes and blah 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 when she was really the problem. You know, I guess teenagers, I don't know really much about teenagers, but I guess some teenagers hate their parents, and well, I do know a lot about teenagers, but I don't even know what I said there. I got lost. Anyway, so yes, she hated her parents, and now she ran away, and now, oh, I am trying to get her Facebook again. Now she's living by herself without any money. So that was a wise choice, right, guys? Okay, it's getting pretty late. I mean, not late. It's only 10:44, but she is tired, I think. Ready to nap. It's not even. Let me turn this off. You know what? Sleeping on a bench would be better than in there. So it's kind of scary sleeping on a park by yourself when you're a teenager and you're fragile. So scary. Okay. Why is she sad? Too bad. It was your choice. Dude, go sleep. Sleep somewhere. No, you can't sleep at your home because fine, then you'll just pass out on the floor. She can't even practice. Girl, there is a bench. I'm getting really frustrated. Oh, finally! Why did she wake up? No one knows. Then she will just become exhausted. I'm getting really tired. Wow, it's already been 9 minutes. I am stoked. So, I want to leave it off here where she's been just by herself, which is kind of sad. So, thank you so much for giving me that suggestion. I mean, not suggestion, yeah, that cheat. I'm really happy now that, oh my gosh, look at her face. That is me right now because I am so happy for 5 subscribers and that you guys are so sweet, and oh my gosh. I know I've said that like a million times, but again, thank you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Give me suggestions for Janelle here, because I don't know what to do with her. She won't sleep. I don't know what to do, so give me some suggestions of what Janelle here should do with her life, and if she should go back with her parents or not. Just kidding, she can't, because that's the whole challenge. So bye, guys.